So I'm here to deliver your bugas. You have here 25 kilogram of rice and then 4,000 pesos for this month and 2,000 pesos for savings. So total Yokchon peso. Okay. And that is from Kim Jewaning.
김지원님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, annyeonghaseyo Kayla.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So na-disturb di ka ha? Na busy? Busy ka? Karon. Reporting. Araso. Okay. So Kayla, I'm here to deliver your bugas. You have here 25 kilogram of rice and then 4,000 pesos. Sachon peso for you. Please go count in day. Maja? Okay. And 2,000 pesos for your savings. Okay, update lang imong Cebuana inday ha. Okay. And that is from Kim Jewanim.
Uncle 김지원님 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Continue na. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, Ria, annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your bugas. You have here 25 kilogram of rice for you and 4,000 pesos for you inday. Please kukuha inday 4,000. Aja? 4,000?
Yes.
Okay. So, 2,000 pesos for your savings. Okay ra? Okay. I-update lang imo hang Cebuana ha. Okay. And that is from Kim Jewanim.
김지원님 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.